Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use Remini's batch processing for multiple photos. So let's get started with the video. So basically what you need to do is click on AI photos that you will see at the bottom side. Once you click on that, it will take you to various photos, multiple batches of the photos, how you can convert your image into the AI generated image. So you can you can select any one of the photo from here. For example, let's select this one. You can click on this and then you can click on get full photos. It will take you to this page. Here you can upload up to multiple selfies, like here it said upload up to 8 selfies. You can choose it here and then you can select the 8 images over here, whichever you want to select. Once you have selected that, click on continue. It will start uploading the photos. It will take few seconds. It is generating the AI generating photos in the batch that is for the multiple photos. Kindly wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, it's getting loaded and there is a batch of 14 that got generated. If you want to save the particular image once it get loaded, you can click on this download icon, else you can click on the delete icon here. So this is how you can use the Remini batch processing for multiple photos. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.